Welcome to a new film, produced by Mattia Patanè, an Italian entrepreneur currently life maxing.
It's time to go to work for my last time. The last day, guys!
Yo. All my L's, they call me the V. Yo, she and I fuck my ex.
Guys, I think this is a very nice carbonara, honestly. Cioè, in London you cannot do better, honestly.
In the last 9 months, every morning I was waiting the bus here to go to work. Now, today is the last time I'm gonna do that. This exact journey, every day. Today the metro is also without anyone, there is no one. Amazing, because usually it's full of people. Today there is no one, because it's an amazing day, because it's the last day of work.
On the globe and never took a cent. That might have went over your head. I be thinking different. I bought real estate before I went and bought the Bent. I had sun 10 toes when you was in your feelings.
Here in the street where I saw the first most beautiful car I've never seen, like one of them. Shit. And this is the last time I'm gonna pass here as a waiter. The last time.
Ay, can't get lost with sheep, but walk a spun and not bang me on. After all, can't ball on my own, I'm my brother's keeper. Take a bit longer to drop to see on the top, not stopping it either. The hard to paint, the soft of the canvas, stay when I'm on like Lisa. The vision, additional mission is critical.
Oh, boss. This is the last time I clock out, guys. Last clock out. I officially finished my last shift forever, guys. I will never work anymore in this restaurant in London. I can neither live in London anymore because I live. Finito, guys. I finished. Oh, finito. My next step is in Australia and not in London anymore, but I will come here back. I promise, guys, I will come back alone. I will come back in London. I really promise that to myself and to you, to all. I will come back in London, but as another person. The first day as an unemployed finished, and today I realized that I hit a crazy goal that I could never imagine. Thanks to my investments, thanks to the software I'm using, thanks to the network of the software, and thanks to the prop, to another investment with prop that paid me this month. And this is the perfect way to finish this experience in London. The sign that this chapter is finished. This is a new beginning. I don't know, I'm so happy, and it's like 1 hour I'm crying alone, and I'm laughing and crying alone like a crazy. I know now I don't have followers. This video now there are very few people that look at this video. No one sees my video for now, but I know that they will. As I know that one day I will reach 10K. I would never think that would be now, that early. But I'm so happy and grateful of my life and what I'm doing and where I am. And this new experience that is gonna be happy. I have to sleep on that. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. This is the situation of my room. This is the situation of my room. And I have to live in, I don't know, 3-4 hours. I'm starting to prepare the bags. There are all the dresses that I used at work, and I'm gonna burn them. I don't wanna see anymore these shirts because I'm very destroyed. Today I get up, I did my workout, and I realized that I'm unemployed. Guys, I'm fucking unemployed. I don't have a job anymore, guys. I don't have a job anymore, guys. Almost with everything we are done. I have 1 bag, 2 bags with this one is all for the stand for the video. There is bean. This one, I don't know if it's a problem. It's like, ladies have the bag, so I can have this as a bag, no? They should not say me anything. There is on the bin, and there the address that doesn't fit. I'm gonna give to the lady, to the landlord. I wish she's gonna give to someone. At least it could be very helpful for someone else. I don't know. So guys, the train is late, by like 5-6 minutes, I think. And I'm very late because the gate closes at 3:50 and are 3 now, and I'm still in the train. But we'll do it, guys. The important is to ask to the universe. It's gonna give me. Okay, I'm in the airport. At 3, it's 3 p.m. It's not that late. No worry. I'm gonna take the flight.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old.
Guys, I landed in Sicily. I don't know why here there are these things. I finally landed in Sicily, guys. Minchia, at the end I met friends everywhere here in this plane. Crazy. Eccolo, eccolo. Guys, we are in Catania. Finally we are in Catania. Guys, it's 1 a.m. I cannot sleep. I don't know why. I cannot sleep. Probably because it's too hot here. It's a possibility. But really, I cannot sleep. So I said, the best thing to do is to take some fresh ricotta, some crackers, and some marmellata. The best thing to do at midnight, no? At 1 a.m. By the way, guys, I don't know why I cannot sleep. It's like probably because, I don't know, but I think I'll miss London.